All right, it's February the 10th. They're calling for a snowstorm on February the 11th, so I'm gonna get some things done on my truck here. I usually run with my rails off because I kind of like that, but when we get some snow, and they're saying we'll get 5 inches, so whenever we get 5 inches, I usually expect 2 inches to 8 inches, something like that. And so recovering some vehicles off the side of the road, the rails are usually good to have, because winching a car in ice or snow or something like that, they can just tend to go side to side, and those rails will help in that. So we're going to get the truck ready for tomorrow's snowstorm, and hopefully we'll be good and prepared. So let me get that done. Just a couple of hooks in these NRC bits. You don't want to get out on the side of the road, ice and snow, and find yourself unprepared. So, you know a snowstorm is coming up. You want to check all your gear, especially this extra synthetic rope. Make sure it's good and neat, easily accessible. What I usually find with these synthetic ropes is you put it in here nice and neat, and then when you get out to the job site, you've rode around for 6 or 8 weeks, sometimes 6 months without using it, and the up and down vibration of the truck, back and forth, just daily work, wear and tear, throwing stuff in your box and taking stuff out, tends to get these things all jumbled up, and when you go to use it, you got to spend 40 minutes unraveling it. So you want to roll it up correctly, for one, and then for two, check it every once in a while and make sure it's in good shape, ready to go. And so we're looking good here, very neat. Got hammers, got an axe, got all my tools, bolt cutters, soft shackles. This soft shackle doesn't belong on this side, it's got to go over there on the other side. Got my Craftsman tool set. Put this soft shackle on the other side. Okay, this is the most used side right here. Doesn't look too bad. Wheel straps here. These magnetic straps are the best. Okay, got my... This is the box that gets messed up for me the most. This goes somewhere else. That's better there. That's a nice set of binders right there, but I've never used them. On Unit 23, the truck that I used before this, I used them on a regular basis, but I have a different assignment in this truck, so I haven't used them yet, I should say. And since I said that, I'll probably need to use them. There's one skate. Let me see. It needs to go back with the other four. The other three, rather. Here's two more. These toolboxes, they come from a place called In the Ditch Towing Products, and so far I'm enjoying them pretty good. We got these boxes here on the back of the main toolbox. I've been using them as really a debris box and throw my skates in them, and part of a broom there I keep in there. Sometimes I put chains in there, and I also, the last snowstorm we had, dropped my snatch block in there, which I should not have done. Rusted up a little bit, but I'm going to take care of that right now. Put this back in here. Now, like on an accident, when there's debris all over the road, I just throw the debris in those boxes, or either in the back floorboard of the car if it's totaled. But I do like to keep them cleaned out. They're not going to rust out, these boxes, which is a great thing, man. Every rollback I've drove for the last 18 years have ended up with a rusty toolbox. And this goes back here in the back. straps, big cargo straps, warning flags for utility buildings and stuff like that. And this box here, we've got a air hoses, pneumatic jack, attachments, different stuff like that. Basically everything I need to change a tire on the side of the road. Right now I need to dress up this snatch block. I'm really upset with myself that I let it get rusted up like that. I should be fired for that. Alright, I sprayed that snatch block down with fluid film. Pretty good stuff. I should have sprayed it down after I used it last time. I'm a bad employee. But at any rate, that'll take care of that, take care of the rust.